Do you want to know what to plant in April 2024 to make thousands of dollars? Welcome to Farming Know-How, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks for successful farming. Today, we'll be delving into a topic of great interest to many. We'll be discussing how factors like location, climate, soil conditions, market demand, and available resources can impact what you plant in April for the best profitability. So, are you ready to discover the top 10 crops to plant in April for maximum profits? Stay tuned. Let's start with a staple of many gardens and farms, tomatoes. These plump, juicy fruits are a favorite among consumers, making them a profitable crop to cultivate. Tomatoes are resilient, versatile, and come in a wide array of varieties, from the ever-popular beefsteak and Roma to the delectable cherry and grape varieties. So whether you're looking to cater to the mass market or a niche, there's a tomato variety that fits the bill. Now, if you're planting in April, you're setting yourself up for a summer harvest. This is perfect for tomatoes as they thrive in warm, sunny conditions. And let's not forget about the soil. Tomatoes prefer a well-draining soil with a pH between 6 and 7. With the right care and attention, your tomato plants can yield a bountiful harvest that's sure to bring in substantial earnings. Moving on to peppers. Now here's a crop that can really spice up your profits. Peppers, much like tomatoes, have a wide market appeal. From the sweet bell peppers to the fiery jalapenos and chili peppers, there's a pepper for every palate. And the best part? They're relatively easy to grow and have a short growing season, meaning you can start seeing returns on your investment sooner rather than later. When planting peppers, consider the climate and soil conditions. Peppers enjoy a warm climate and well-draining soil, much like their tomato counterparts. And don't forget to choose varieties that are suitable for your intended market. Specialty or hot pepper varieties, for instance, can fetch a higher price, especially in niche markets. So, whether you're a seasoned farmer or a green-thumbed novice, consider tomatoes and peppers for your April planting. These versatile, high-value crops are not only profitable but also rewarding to grow. With the right variety, growing conditions, and market opportunities, you're setting yourself up for success. So consider tomatoes and peppers for your April planting to spice up your earnings. Next up on our list are cucumbers, herbs, and salad greens. Let's kick things off with cucumbers. These fast-growing, high-yielding crops are perfect for an April planting, leading to a bountiful summer harvest. Moreover, cucumbers offer a unique opportunity to tap into niche markets. Try your hand at growing specialty varieties, such as English cucumbers or pickling cucumbers. They're a bit different from your run-of-the-mill cucumbers and can fetch a premium price. Now, let's talk about herbs. Culinary herbs are a hit in any kitchen, be it a home cook's paradise or a professional chef's domain. Basil, cilantro, parsley, and mint in particular are in high demand. Plant them in April and you'll have a continuous harvest throughout the season. And here's a tip. Consider selling fresh herbs at your local farmers markets or to restaurants. It's a fantastic way to get your name out there and make a tidy profit. And finally, we have salad greens. Lettuce, spinach, arugula, and other salad greens are popular crops that can be planted in April for a quick harvest. These crops are perfect for succession planting. This technique ensures a continuous supply of fresh, crisp greens throughout the season. Not only do they make a delicious addition to any meal, but they also offer a quick turnaround. This means you'll start seeing returns on your investment sooner rather than later. So there you have it. Cucumbers, herbs, and salad greens are not only profitable, but they also provide quick returns. These crops are perfect for anyone looking to take advantage of the April planting season. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, these crops offer a fantastic opportunity to maximize your profits and make the most of your land. Remember, success in farming is all about understanding the market and choosing the right crops. So give cucumbers, herbs, and salad greens a try this April. You might be surprised by how much you can earn. Planting these crops can provide a quick turnaround and steady income throughout the season. Are you looking for something sweet or nutritious? Consider strawberries and microgreens. In the realm of profitable crops, strawberries and microgreens stand out for their potential to yield a significant income. Strawberries, with their sweet, juicy appeal, are a cherished favorite among consumers, while microgreens, with their concentrated nutrient content, have been gaining popularity in recent years. Let's start with strawberries. These berries are not only delicious but also provide a substantial potential for profit. If you have the space and the right climate, strawberries can be a lucrative crop to consider. Planting strawberries in April allows them to establish a strong root system before the summer heat sets in, leading to a bountiful harvest. There's a wide array of strawberry varieties to choose from, each with its unique flavor profile and growth characteristics. Some popular choices include the June-bearing varieties for a large, concentrated harvest, and ever-bearing varieties for a steady supply of berries throughout the growing season. Now, let's talk about microgreens. These tiny, nutrient-packed greens have been enjoying a surge in popularity, especially among health-conscious consumers and gourmet chefs. Microgreens such as kale, radish, and broccoli are easy to grow and have a quick turnaround time, often ready to harvest in just 2 to 3 weeks. They can be grown in trays or containers, making them ideal for indoor or small-scale outdoor production. Plus, the market for these tiny greens is growing, as restaurants and consumers alike are recognizing their flavor and nutrition benefits. In terms of profitability, both strawberries and microgreens offer promising opportunities. Strawberries can fetch a good price at farmers markets and are also popular for pick-your-own operations. On the other hand, microgreens, given their high nutrient content and quick growth cycle, can command a high price per pound, making them an excellent choice for urban or small-scale farmers. Remember, the key to success in farming lies in understanding your market, choosing suitable varieties, and providing the right growing conditions. So, whether you're drawn to the sweetness of strawberries or the nutritional punch of microgreens, planting these crops in April can set you up for a bountiful and profitable harvest. Planting strawberries and microgreens in April can lead to a bountiful and profitable harvest. For those seeking something a little different, consider specialty melons, specialty garlic, and pumpkins. These crops not only offer a unique taste experience for consumers, but they can also bring in a tidy profit for farmers. Let's start with specialty melons. Varieties like cantaloupe, honeydew, and watermelon are a summer favorite, and there's a growing market for these sweet, juicy fruits. The key to success here is selecting the right variety for your climate and the preferences of your market. It's also essential to provide these melons with plenty of sunlight and water, as they're heat-loving crops that thrive in well-drained soils. Next, we have specialty garlic. Now, garlic might not be the first crop that comes to mind when you think of high-value produce, but certain gourmet varieties are highly prized by chefs and consumers alike. The beauty of garlic is that it's relatively easy to grow, and planting in April allows the cloves to establish roots before winter, setting you up for a successful harvest the following year. Plus, garlic has a long shelf life, making it a practical choice for many farmers. Finally, we come to pumpkins. While we often associate pumpkins with fall, certain varieties can be planted in April for an early harvest. Think beyond the classic orange pumpkin and consider growing specialty pumpkins like pie pumpkins or decorative varieties. These niche markets can be quite profitable, especially if you can tap into the demand for unique, locally grown produce. Remember, the secret to maximizing profits with these specialty crops is to understand your market. Know what your customers want, whether it's the sweetest melon, the most pungent garlic, or the perfect pumpkin for their fall display. And don't be afraid to experiment with different varieties to find what works best for your farm. These specialty crops can give your farm a unique edge and boost your income. So, why not give them a try this April? As we wrap up, remember that the key to profitability lies in thorough research and diversification. We've covered a range of crops that can be planted in April for maximum profits, including tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, herbs, salad greens, strawberries, microgreens, specialty melons, specialty garlic, and pumpkins. Each of these crops has its unique advantages, but it's crucial to choose those that are suitable for your location, climate, soil conditions, and market demand. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers can provide a summer harvest, while herbs and salad greens offer a continuous supply throughout the season. Strawberries and specialty melons require more space and specific climate conditions but can yield high profits. Microgreens are fast-growing, nutrient-dense crops that can be grown in trays or containers, indoors or outdoors, offering flexibility. Specialty garlic and pumpkins are high-value crops that can cater to gourmet and niche markets. But remember, farming is not just about planting. It's about understanding the costs, the market, and the potential risks. It's about diversifying not just your crops, but your revenue streams as well. So get ready to plant in April and watch your profits grow. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And to stay updated with more farming tips and advice, make sure you subscribe to Farming Know-How. Let's grow together. Let's grow.